Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 4 to the power x plus 1 plus 4 to the power x minus 1. This is equal to 50. So what is the value of x? Now, solution from here, we have that 4 to the power x plus 1. This is in the form of a to the power n plus m, which we can express as a to the power n times a to the power m. On the other side, we have 4 to the power x minus 1, which we can express as a to the power n minus, that is to the power n minus m, which we can express as a to the power n divided by a to the power m. Applying this exponent property, so we'll have here 4 to the power x multiplying by 4 to the power 1 plus 4 to the power x divided by 4. This is equal to 50. The next step here, 4 to the power x is common here, so let's factor out 4 to the power x, so that here we'll have 4 plus 1 over 4. This is equal to 50. Now, the next step from here, we'll have here 4 to the power x. Now, in the parentheses here, this is the LCM here is 4. So we'll have 4 divided by 1, this is 4 times 4, 16. Plus 4 divided by 4, 1 times 1, this is 1. This is equal to 50. Here we have 4 to the power x. This is actually 4 to the power x. Then 16 plus 1, this is 17 over 4. This is equal to 50. So let's multiply both signs by 17, by 4 over 17. 4 over 17 times also here 4 over 17. So here we simplify. So that here we'll have 4 to the power x. This is equal to 50 times 4. This is 200 divided by 17. To solve for the value of x here, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides. That is log 4 to the power x. This is equal to log 200 divided by 17. Now, log 4 to the power x, this is in the form of log a to the power n, which we can express as n log a. Now, applying this power rule property of logarithm, then log 4 to the power x becomes x log 4. This is equal to log 200 divided by 17. So let's divide both sides by log 4 and also here by log 4. So that now the value of x here is equal to log, here we have 200 divided by 17, then divided by log 4. Now here you have x is equal to log 200 over 17 divided by log 4. So log 200 over 17, this is in the form of log a divided by b, which we can express as log a minus log b. So applying this logarithm property, then this follows that x is equal to log 200 divided by log 4, subtract log 17 divided by log 4. The next step from here, we can express 200 as 25 multiplied by 8. And we can express 4 as 2 to the power 2. So substituting this, we'll have here x is equal to log, this is 25 times 8 divided by log 4, which is 2 to the power 2, subtract log 17 divided by log 2 to the power 2. Now, log 25 times 8, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So applying this property, then x is equal to log 25 divided by log 2 to the power 2 plus log 8 divided by log 2 to the power 2, then subtract log 17 divided by log 2 to the power 2. Now we can express 25 as, this is now log 25 can be expressed as 5 to the power 2 divided by log 2 to the power 2 here, plus log 8. 8 can be expressed as 2 to the power 3, then divided by log 2 to the power 2, log 2 to the power 2, then subtract log 17 divided by log 2 to the power 2. Now here we'll have x is equal to log 5 to the power 2. This can be expressed as 2 log 5 divided by log 2 to the power 2 can be expressed as 2 log 2 plus log 2 to the power 3 can be expressed as 3 log 2 divided by log 2 to the power 2, which is 2 log 2, subtract log 17 divided by log 2 to the power 2, which is 2 log 2. Now let's simplify here by 2 here. So you have here x is equal to log 5 divided by log 2, then plus, now log 2 and log 2 simplifies, so you'll have 3 over 2, subtract log 17 divided by 2 log 2. So this implies that we'll have here x is equal to 3 over 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2, subtract log 17 divided by 2 log 2. So we find that log 5 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Applying this logarithm property, then it follows that. Now by applying this property, you will have x is equal to 3 over 2 plus, now here we'll have log 5 to base 2, subtract half log 17 to base 2. Now this is the value of x. This is the value of x. So let's verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation. Now if you recall here, we end that 4 to the power x plus 1 plus 4 to the power x minus 1. This should give us a value of 50. So let's substitute the value of x here, so that we'll have 4 to the power x is 3 over 2 plus log 5 to base 2, subtract half log 17 to base 2, then plus 1, plus we have 4 to the power x, which is 4 to the power 3 over 2, plus log 5 to base 2, subtract half log 17 to base 2, subtract 1. This should give us a value of 50. Now from here, let us express 4 as 2 to the power 2. So that here we'll have 2 to the power 2 into the bracket. Here we'll have 3 over 2 plus log 5 to base 2, subtract half log 17 to base 2, plus 1, then plus, here we'll have 2 to the power 2, 3 over 2, plus, here we have log 5 to base 2, subtract half log 17 to base 2, subtract 1. This should give us a value of 50. Now let's simplify here by 2, so that here we'll have 2 to the power 3 plus, now this is 2 times log 5 to base 2. This is 2 log 5 to base 2. Now subtract 2 and 2 here simplifies, so we'll have log 17 to base 2, then plus 1, plus, here we have 2 and 2 simplifies, so we'll have 2 to the power 3 plus, here it's 2 times log 5 to base 2, which is 2 log 5 to base 2, then subtract 2 and 2 simplifies again, so this is log 17 to base 2, subtract, now here it's actually 2 times minus 1, this is actually 2, and also here we end at 2 times 1, this is plus 2, this is plus 2. So let's proceed from here. Now here we have 2 to power 3, this is 3 plus 2, so you'll have 2 to power 5 plus 2 log 5 to base 2, subtract log 17 to base 2, then plus 2 to power, now here we'll have 3 minus 2, this is 1, plus 2 log 5 to base 2, subtract log 17 to base 2, and this is supposed to give us a value of 50. So let's proceed from here. So 2 to power 5 plus 2 log 5 to base 2, subtract this, is in the form of 8 to power n minus m, which we can express as 8 to power n divided by 8 to power m. So applying this exponent property, here we'll have 2 to power 5 multiplied by 2 to power 2 log 5 to base 2 divided by 2 to power log 17 to base 2 plus, here we'll have 2 to power 1 times 2 to power 2 log 5 to base 2 divided by 2 to power log 17 divided by 2 to base 2. This should give us a value of 50. Now here we have 2 to power 5 times 2 to power 2 log 5 to base 2, which we can express as 2 to power 5 multiplied by 2 to power log 5 squared. This is a power, so it's 5 squared divided by 2 to power log 17 to base 2 plus 2 to power 1 times 2 to power log. This is 5 squared divided by 2 to power log 17 to base 2. This should give us a value of 50. Now from here, 2 to power 5, this is the same thing as 32. So here we have 32 multiplied by, now 2 to power log 5 squared, that is 2 to power log 5 squared to base 2. This is actually in the form of m to power log a to base m, which essentially is supposed to give us a value of a. So that implies that 2 to power log 5 squared to base 2, this is the same thing as 5 squared, which is 25. So here we'll have that 2 times 25 divided by 2 to power log 17 to base 2. Applying this property, this is the same thing as 17. Then plus, here we will have 2 multiplied by 2 to power log 5 squared to base 2, which is actually equal to 25. So 2 times 25 divided by 2 to power log 17 to base 2, this is 17. So here we have 32 times 25 divided by 17 plus 2 times 25, this is 50 divided by 17. This is supposed to give us a value of 50. So here we have that 2 times 25. This is 5 times 2, this is 10, 0 carry 1. 5 times 3, which is 15, plus 1, 16. 2 times 2, this is 4. 3 times 2, this is 6. So here we have, this is actually equal to 800. So we have 800 over 17 plus 50 over 17. The LCM here is 17. So 17 divided by 17 is 1 times 800. This is 800 plus 17 divided by 17 is 1 times 50. This is 50. So here we have 800 plus 50. This is 850 divided by 17. This is supposed to give us a value of 50. So 850 divided by 17. So by 17, 1 by 17, 50. So this implies that 50 is equal to 50. That is, the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of x, which is actually equal to, which is 3 over 2 plus log 5 to base 2, subtract a half log 17 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.